So we took 2 trades tonight. Well, this morning, because it's like 2:45 in the morning right now. Market hitting a big support zone. I talk about that in the video. I hope you enjoy it. Market bounced once, twice, started pushing to the upside, retracement, continue. It was crazy. We took 2 trades. Let me know what you think. Did Ra lose 1-1-1? Did he lost 2 trades? Did he won 2 trades? All I'm gonna say is market has been bearish, and guess what? I too took buying setups. And let me know with what you see here, what you think happened. Enjoy the video. It's a little bit long, but I explain a lot of the legacy futures trading strategy steps, and yeah, you can see it right there. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Alrighty guys, here we are, still Tuesday. Well, today's Tuesday now, May 6, 2025. It's 2:31 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. I am here. I would love to get my pillow and just talk here while I put my head on it. But anyway, okay, let's go to the chart. Okay, we lost a trade here after market hit that first level of the big support. And well, if you saw the video, you know what I'm talking about. Now, market kept pushing to the downside, and that's why I'm glad I closed my trade. I understood that it went below. Watch the video, and I think it's in the first part of this video. Anyway, market came back down, boom, hit that last level of support on that big support zone I was telling you about, and bam, it bounced again. And I don't like going to sleep with a losing trade. I'm gonna tell you, I had to go out and take a walk and meditate and breathe and relax, because the last thing I wanna do is get into a revenge trade. So I went out, released all the bad energy that I had of that losing trade, my energy, and I came back. I wasn't planning on trading. I'm like, you know what? It's not the end of the world. We've been here before. Losing trade is a part of trading, and it's what we do after losing a trade. First thing we do, we need to analyze our trade. Do we have all the steps of our trading strategy? What did we did wrong? And I did wrong. I didn't close the trade per my trading plan and my trading goals. So after seeing this, I'm like, you know what? Now here comes a big bounce. They bounced previously on the first level of support. That works. But a bounce on the second level of that big support zone, it's even a higher probability that market will at least make a nice retracement. We got a nice retracement on the previous bounce, but it wasn't enough. I wasn't quick enough to close the trade. But anyway, here we analyzed the trade. I understood that looking at the 15-minute chart was gonna be either too long of a trade, and we might be looking into a trade setup at 3:34 in the morning after London opening. I wasn't gonna go to sleep and then wake up and come back, and I definitely wasn't gonna stay awake until then. So I lowered the time frames, and we have a nice setup here. Not in 5 minutes, probably in the 3-minute chart. Like I tell you, there's a very specific way markets behave and a very specific way I use my legacy futures trading strategy. So even though I'm trading a 5-minute chart, I know what's going on in lower time frame, 3 minutes, 1 minute. I don't want to go into seconds, but yes, if you go down to a 10-second chart, you can see it right here, the setup. Pop, pop, pop. It's crazy how market behaves. But anyway, even though I'm trading the 5-minute chart, I understood that we had a 3-minute setup. Market bounced right around, very close to the support zone. Okay, they started pushing, they came back down, and this is the thing about using buy limit orders. I had a buy limit order, only filled me once, came back down, filled me for the second contract, and a tick above that support zone. It might be my fault, maybe I did the analysis wrong and it hit by the tick, but usually a tick or two, that's okay. And market, boom, bounced right back towards where? Towards a resistance zone. I was tempted to go to hold it until target, and it's highly probable that it's gonna continue to target, but if it does, it might come back and retest its support zone, and I wasn't willing to do that. Anyway, I like trading from 52. Oh, that's a support zone. From support to resistance, and boom, that's what I got right here. I wasn't gonna get greedy. I got greedy on the previous one and I got burned. You saw that, and that's why trading plan, trading goals. We even got a little bit of a profit here, recovery plus profit, and that's a great trade. Now I can go back. Well, I can go to sleep, not back to sleep because I haven't gone to sleep yet. So anyway, yeah, we have here Nasdaq buy setup. Oh, I'm so relieved I can go to. I'm gonna sleep like a baby tonight. Oh, it's gonna take me a while to lower down my hyper emotions. If you've traded before, you know what I'm talking about. So we have entry. We have two at 19,940.75. Pop. We have target. We have two contracts at 19,955.50. So we have this math at this time. We have 40.75. That's 15. That's 14 and 3/4 points. Pop. We have total trade. We have 30. We have 29.5 points, which equals. Now I'm gonna use my calculator. I'm burned here. Actually, you know what? I don't need to. That's 30 points times 2. That's 600 minus 10. That's $590. Exercise your mind, friends. And why $590? Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives $20 per Nasdaq point. Boom. All right. Really nice trade. We lost $410 in the previous trade here, flop. So we made it up. We have minus 410 plus 590 equals, come on, you know math, $180. Not the greatest trade, not the greatest day of all trading days, not the greatest night of a really long trading night, but you know what? Profits are profits. We recovered our losses and made some profit, and not every day is gonna be a $1,000 trading day. Well, we can make it happen, but really that's not the reason that I trade. And you know that I've talked this before. I trade, grab 10-15 points, and I'm good with that. I'm done. So, well, 180, that's what, 9 points? Well, that ain't that far from 10. So, yeah, that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna take another stress releasing walk, and then I'll go back to sleep. I hope I don't get my keys. Don't leave my keys and lock me outside, because sometimes that happens, and I'm not expecting a neighbor coming in at 2:41 in the morning. So that's it. I'm gonna get out of here. And what can I tell you? Let me know in the comments what you think about what happened today, yesterday and today, and what will you do different if you would do something different. I like to hear other traders' experiences, and that's it. Subscribe, share, comment, and we're done. Want to learn my trading strategy? You want to join now our trading group? Questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Ka-ching.